Hello, my name's Ben Howarth, and I work for the Centre for Widening Participation, Equality and Social Inclusion, which was established here at Aberystwyth in 1998. This was a commitment to work towards removing the barriers to higher education, whether they are social, cultural, financial or academic. There's a named contact at Aberystwyth University for those coming to us from a public or foster care background, that is, for looked after children and those leaving care. The university works across the UK to encourage more people from this group to apply, and looked after children in Wales are eligible for our flagship Summer University programme and other targeted projects. From 2017, the support has been extended to those who are estranged from their families and to those who are young carers. We offer generous financial support, independent of other awards, as well as support to visit the university for open days, departmental visiting days, or independently, if that suits you and your foster carer or leaving care team worker. There is a full bursary of £1,500 and a part bursary of £800, paid in 2 instalments. On arrival, you can have a starter pack in your study bedroom, which includes bedding, linen, pots and pans, enough food for your arrival, as well as study materials. And your accommodation is guaranteed for 365 days and for 3 years if you want this. The UCAS Application system allows you to tick a box to declare that you are a former looked after child, and we will then contact you to outline the support available. My colleagues, Deborah Croft, the named contact, and Doug Kerr from Student Support Services are happy to discuss any worries you have and to help with all aspects of your higher education journey. In your first few weeks, Doug and his colleagues will link you up to a trained peer mentor, a student who can help you settle in. The application process is very simple, and more information can be found on our scholarships and bursaries web pages, or by contacting Deborah Croft by email or by phone. We're here to help you, so get in touch.